Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has yet again reiterated that he will wipe out corruption in the state. He was speaking at the birthday celebration of Sangye MLA Subhash Fardesai. Fardesai inaugurated various works and projects in his constituency.
Sangye MLA Subhash Fardesai celebrated his birthday on Monday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shubha. Happy birthday to you. Bless you.
Parrikar said he will continue his mission to wipe out corruption.
Corruption wipe off करतलो आणि जातले जायना कशें हांव पळयता. पयले 5 महिने हांव कळ काडून रावलो. फक्त काही जाणांक स्विच करपाक, काही लोकांक संदी दिवपाक की तांच्यांनी आपल्यो पयलींची कर्मां सोडून नव्या रस्त्यान वचूंक जाय. आतां जर कोणाक जर तूं नव्या रस्त्यान वचपाचें नसलें जाल्यार ताका हळूहळू करून जाग्यार हाडचें पडटलें.
Birthday boy Subhash Fardesai feels government should consider reservation for Muslim women.
तुमच्या कम्युनिटी भितर गर्ल्स चाइल्ड सहसा शिक्षण घेनात आणि ते शिक्षण घेतले जर जाय जाल्यार तांकां मानान एक सन्मानीत अशी नोकरी मेळपाक जाय आणि जाणे करून शिक्षणाचो प्रसार आणि प्रचार हो मुस्लिम कम्युनिटीच्या गर्ल्स चाइल्डा कडेन वचपाक जाय. म्हणून एक बरी गजाल आसा तुमी हे केल्ले आसा. हांव माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन मागता की मुस्लिम जमाती खातीरय कांय आरक्षण करून.
A reporter from Sangye, Babesh Borkar.
Now news from sports. The Goan team has started off well in their pre-season camp leading up to the 2012-13 Ranji Trophy. Goa drew their first of 3 warm-up matches against Baroda with young all-rounder Darshan Mishra amongst the wickets and runs. Coach Vivek Kolambkar could not be more satisfied with the team at the moment. Shadab Jakati's return to action is also eagerly being awaited by the team, but Chennai Super Kings spinner will bowl only by October as is undergoing rehabilitation. Kolambkar is hoping Shadab gets fully fit for the Ranji this season.
Goa played Baroda in a 3-day warm-up match. Despite any outright ascending in the match, Kolambkar is satisfied.
We played our first match against Baroda from 14 to 16, 3 days. And we scored, they batted first, they scored 375, and then we scored 275.
Okay.
Darshan Mishal bowled well, he got 6 wickets.
Okay.
And again he scored 75, and then Rohit Asnodkar played a good knock of 65.
Okay.
Basically, I've divided those 22 into 2 teams.
Okay.
And the next team will play a match tomorrow.
Okay.
So preparation is going in the right way, whatever we had planned.
What about the outstations? Have any of them played in the first match, and what's their performance been like?
First match, Mohsin played, he scored 34.
Okay.
In the first inning, second inning he didn't bat.
Has there been anything disturbing in the team that you've seen? I mean, in the batting, bowling or fielding department, you think everything is shipping up properly because Gordon managed to get close to Baroda's score on both occasions?
Yeah, see, actually we didn't have any outdoor activities, outdoor nets.
Okay.
And we straight away played the match, actually, and there were many positives in that match. Because Baroda had already played 7 matches before they played us against us.
Okay.
And they had almost 9 players of the proper Ranji Trophy players.
Shadab Jagati, who was missed a lot for you, I guess, last year, has just returned from Australia. He's going to start training very soon. Are you happy about that? And would he find a place immediately in the team once he's match fit?
Shadab had called me, we communicated, we spoke about the injury, so whatever the things is, he'll be starting his bowling somewhere in October, October first week.
Okay.
So still we have 1 month period to take him in the match simulations. It's a good sign for us actually, because we need a player like him who can guide the team properly. So he, along with Swapnil and Saurabh, can take the team to the next level.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent.
English Premier League giants Arsenal have one of the best youth development systems in the world. Testimony to this fact is the number of world-class players the Arsenal Youth Academy have produced. Rohan Ricketts is a product of this academy as well. The English-born striker of Jamaican descent credits his football acumen to the men at the helm of affairs at the London club Arsene Wenger.
About Wenger, Rohan Ricketts says he's quiet, doesn't shout too much, and is very intelligent. The 29-year-old finds remarkable similarities between the great Wenger and Dempo Sports Club coach Armando Colasso, and hence feels comfortable and at home at the Panjim club. So what is it being a gunner? Prudent asks a man who has been there, done that, from the Arsenal stable.
Wenger taught me so much. Very, very intelligent coach. He doesn't shout too much. Doesn't speak overly too much, but he's very effective with his words. Training methods, very astute. He's all about technique and passing, and obviously you have to have good fitness, but moving the ball around very quickly in a very strategic way. He's all about entertaining brand of football. Playing for Arsenal was amazing. I was there for 8 years, from 10 years old, and I learnt so much, and I'm on the Wall of Fame, so that's a special thing for me. It's funny because I never knew, and then somebody sent me a message and said, "Oh, I just was at the Emirates Stadium, and you're on the Wall of Fame." So thank you for whoever put me there.
Rohan has played with some top guns like Gunners legend Thierry Henry.
Arsenal and Tottenham, there's, who do you know? You know Thierry Henry? Patrick Vieira, Bergkamp, Pires, Robert Pires, Freddie Ljungberg, Jermaine Defoe, Ledley King, Jamie Redknapp, Robbie Keane. The best player I played with was Zidane. Yeah, I played in a charity game it was for UNICEF, but it's Zidane and Friends. That for me was my most valuable experience that I can.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Surendra Markaikar from Vasco.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.